Hi everyone, welcome to this month's episode. In this month's episode, I'm going to be talking a little bit about the October numbers as well as giving you a bit of information on what you can expect going into 2018. So to recap, right now we are sitting at about 14% price increase year over year. This is great for those of you who bought last year. Congratulations, I'm very happy for you. Usually on average we see about 6% within the Toronto GTA, and right now we're at 14. So that's amazing for any of you who did buy within the last year. For those of you who didn't buy and are hearing that number and jumping and being a little terrified about where the market might go, I just want to alleviate some of those fears and let you know that inventory-wise, right now we're sitting at about 2.64 months worth of inventory, whereas last year at this time we were at 1.1 months of inventory. And having this higher number, although it might not seem like much, is a huge step in the right direction because more months of inventory means more choices for buyers and less stress. When we were sitting at 1.1 months of inventory last year, that's likely why we saw so much growth when it came down to selling prices, is because there wasn't enough out there for people to actually get their hands on, so people scrambled, and that enabled prices to skyrocket. We are getting back to a healthier market by having it at 2.64 months of inventory. A healthier market would be about 3 months worth. That would kind of neutralize buyers and sellers and make it neither a seller's market nor a buyer's market. But 2.64 is still a great start. So I'm happy about that moving into 2018. The biggest impact on the Toronto housing market has always been affordability. Whether or not Torontonians can actually afford to be buying these properties and what the debt ratio is looking like. So from that standpoint, right now on a year-over-year basis, we are looking at about 2% inflation in Toronto, which is an indicator to mortgage brokers that it's time to take the rate up again. So they will likely be doing another rate increase in the next couple of months, but it shouldn't be more than about 0.5 point. So no need to worry about that. What Toronto's done within the last year, if you've been paying attention, is they have steadily increased rates, put into place new pre-qualifying techniques in order to allow the market to return to a healthy state without having a crash. I don't see a crash coming, as I've said countless videos that I've made, and it's because of the fact that Toronto's done a really great job in ensuring that every time they've needed to do a small correction, they've done it at the right time. Other than that, all I can say is that Toronto continues to be a very stable and healthy market to buy in and a savvy investment for any first-time home buyer as well as any investor. Please come talk to me if you have any further questions. Send me an email at ashley.smith@royallepage.ca. Thanks guys.